Hello guys, welcome back once again. I'm very happy to talk to you about this because it's a very happy time for me to share this deal with you. I'm going to feature very good or three best app without investment. You can make a very good portfolio. I mean a very good money. This website, sorry, it's not a website, it's actually an apps. So if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, click on the like button, and the notification bell because it's very important. Or you're going to miss a lot of things that you won't love, you won't be happy to miss. So I'm going to talk about these first three apps that you don't need to do any investment, right? These are apps have been there for a while. Actually, I wanted to do four, but the last one I don't have any main evidence, so I want to just go into it before you go. Brother, people, you are dearest to my heart. This app makes you a lot of money. Some of them pay in cryptocurrency. Some of them pay directly to your bank account. Some of them also pay through PayPal. It's very easy for you to make money from this platform. You don't need to do anything. I mean, anything. Some of them pay you just to work. These website apps are very good. Use your phone and make money. You don't use it for this. Just imagine using your phone and making money at the same time. It's a very good opportunity for you guys. Look, not only you, I'm already earning, so I'll be very happy to share with you. So upon all my research on my phone, I realized this app is going to be the best. So I want to go straight to the app. So I will go straight to my phone so I will start everything together with me. Are you ready? Let's hope.
As I already said, I'm going to use an app that actually pays you to use them. The first app we're going to talk about is Uprock. And Uprock is one of the best app I've used so far, and I can actually say you don't pay anything, you don't invest anything. So let's go straight to it. Uprock only pays you for using your own internet. They actually pays you for using your own internet. As you can see, it says what is what is Uprock? It says Uprock Uprock transforms everyday devices into a global, decentralized data network hubs, fueling AI, real-time insight, and text gene connectivity, and whilst building the future of Web3 powered internet. That look, I don't do anything. I don't do anything. It actually pays me for using my own internet, as you can see right here. There what? Connection score varies with speed and usage. Geoscore is estimated by country or religion. Good divide positive impact, positively impact drive score. So you can see right here, you can see the connection right here. The JSTR electronic device is 284. Oh, it's very good. It's very good. So far, you can see what I have left in my wallet. It's a cryptocurrency, right? UPT. Let's go and search UPT and let's see if you go actually know that cryptocurrency which is actually working. So right here, what's UPT coin. Okay. Okay, let's make sure right here. So make sure we got the input is proper. Universal protocol token. It's right here. Currently, you can see right under here. Currently, it's $1.21. Don't know if it's real. Delta value settlement. Okay, let's search for this. Let's see. Okay, current price of Universal Protocol token is approximately. Oh, okay. So that will be 0.0013 cents. This price is based on information available from crypto.com. So that's the price so far for UPT. So that's I think it's not much. I've not even earned one yet. So they pay you for using your own internet. Or you don't do anything. They just pay you for using your own internet, and not only pay, they also pay you right here. If you go for shopping, you can send them a receipt, and they'll give you cash back percentage on your products which you purchase. They also pay you for referral program, and also not only that, then You get paid to play your favorite game. I've only went there to play the game once. I'm not the kind of person who normally play games. So if you're a fan of playing game, you can come here and play game right here. A lot of games you see, they pay you for playing the game. See, these are amazing. Let's try. Let's try some couple of games right here. Let's see. So it directs you to sometimes I think it takes you to Play Store to download it. I'm not a fan of games. I would have downloaded. These are my fan of game. I'll do that later. So you can, I think they have a lot of games. You can let's check out some games right here. They have a lot of them. A lot of the games. Okay, Master Editor. Okay, superheroes. Oh, guys, they have a lot. The one of your choice, you just pick them. You play the games and you get paid. You don't invest in it. No shishi. For me, I don't play any of this. That's why I don't earn as much. But it's quite good. It's very claimable. You can withdraw this your wallet. You can withdraw from here to any wallet of your choice. Coinbase, any wallet of your choice. So this is how this Uprock actually works. So let's go to the second app. The second app we're going to talk right here is about Whoop. Guys, Whoop is a very big platform. I'm new to this platform, right? But actually, for so far, my understanding, it's very, very good. I won't lie to you. Whoop is very, very good. You can easily make money from here. As you can see, there's a content reward limited by the faceless content. $1 per thousand views with a plus 25% commission. Any product you promote for them on Instagram, actually, this one only works on Instagram. So if you promote their product for them on Instagram, you send them the link, they give you a checkup, they pay you for 1k view for $1.25. So if you make about 500k views, guys, you get a lot of money right here. So this another one here, yeah, a lot of them. You have a lot of. The goal is the good, the best thing I've ever had in my entire life. Okay, then right here, it says we are now at 20k members. Join the one brand on TikTok and retire. Okay, you can join them. So far, this is the best product I've seen. There, you can also sell your PDF book, anything. You can run your own platform. People are going live. If you want to learn trading, people are taking trading. People are taking trade for free. They teach you trade for also free. You can join them, learn gaming. It just works exactly like YouTube. But this one is the advanced one because this place they sell a lot of things that you don't even imagine how you could even sell. You post a video. This one when you post a video, you get paid for it. And I love it. This one it is right there. Okay, earn $3 per 1k view. Wow, this is great. I haven't seen. I think this is. I think recently I haven't seen. And this one there is almost like three platforms. Wow, guys, let me check out. Let's check. Okay, it says what? Humble runs 20 mile plus 20 is it $20 million. Wow, yeah, business making money by clipping his already viral content on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram. Wow, guys, this is crazy. You can make a lot of money from this place already. You don't need to do the video. They have the actually they give you the file of the video they want you to do for them. So when you do, you send them the link. They look up, they check up any views that comes on it. They pay you for it. This is fucking crazy. I love it. I really love it. So I only tried this so far, and this platform. I think this one is also recently. That wow, this platform only came recently. You can see the amount of people who are already cashing out. Wow, wow, this is crazy, guys. So this one is check out. Yes, please agree that you don't need to do it. They have the video for you already. You take a video, you just do some bit editing, then you post it on your YouTube or Facebook or Instagram. All of them, then you write the place you want you to post it as well. Then become a top tile clip and get paid for it. Get paired with creators to start earning today. This is very, very great. That's the big difference about you. That it's very, very amazing. It's very easy for you to make more than $10,000 a month from this website alone. And they accept crypto payments. You can withdraw the money from any aspect you want to withdraw from. They accept it. I think, guys, there are a lot of people here. There are a lot of people. Okay. I think all this one are recently they recently came. Check out what is coming up. It's happening. Okay. Okay. I think, guys, there are a lot. There are a lot. Look, there are a lot. You don't need to do it. You can just come. You can even join them on live. You don't know how to trade. They even teach you how to trade right here. You take live trade. Everything, guys. You go live, they pay you for it. It's not like YouTube that will be wasting your time. So this is very good advice. You can make money from them advancedly. So they're going to go for the third website. The third website, something you do every single day. All right. As you can see right here, I have about 3,175 sweet coin. So it's advanced. I've earned so much though. I don't actually check this every day though, but anytime you wake up in the morning, start working, they start to pay you. So you can see there are a lot of things here. There are a lot of them. You can even withdraw some from your gift card. Then a lot. You can join. Look, there's a lot of things you can advance. If you want to join premium, you can join premium. They have a lot of clubs here. You can like to join them. Groups, clubs, friendship, anything that you feel like doing, you can join them. It's very friendly, anything. So you work and you pay for it. So you can withdraw to your Bitcoin wallet right here. This is the wallet. Depending as you can see so far. Right in the wallet right here, I've withdrawn about 80. Now 80 something. I think it's 80 or 90 Bitcoin right here. But the remaining ones are in mine. I guess I don't want to withdraw any of them yet. So as you will all see, there are a lot of ways. See this one too. You can also play game. You can do investment in Jar. We have Jar investment. Jar, I don't know. We call it Jar or something like that. You can also play games. You have games help you, and you can also choose anyone you would love to. You just do it. It's very simple to do. It's very easy for you to make money. So guys, this is the best platform I'm using so far, and I'm very happy to do. There's a lot I have on my phone. I would love to explain to you people. There are lots, but I don't want the video to be long. I'll cut this video short, and later we'll talk about it. Guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the like button. We'll deal with it later. Thank you.